What if DJI's smallest, safest drone is about to get smarter? If you've been scrolling through the internet looking for DJI Flip 2 leaks, you're clearly not alone. Ever since DJI introduced the original Flip, creators and drone fans have been asking the same question over and over again. Is DJI quietly working on a second-generation model? The DJI Flip made waves by focusing on something very different from traditional drones. Instead of chasing raw power, it went all in on portability, safety, and ease of use. That made it especially appealing to vloggers, beginners, and anyone who wanted quick aerial shots without the learning curve. Now, with DJI continuously refining its drone lineup, curiosity around a possible DJI Flip 2 is growing fast. That said, DJI usually updates its consumer drones every 1 to 2 years, depending on demand and competition. Since the original Flip is still relatively new, many industry watchers believe that if a Flip 2 does happen, the earliest we would see it is sometime in 2026. DJI is known for moving quietly until the moment it's ready to launch, so the silence right now doesn't necessarily mean the project doesn't exist. One of the biggest areas people expect DJI to improve is the camera. The original Flip already delivers solid image quality for its size, but a Flip 2 would likely focus on refinement rather than a dramatic hardware leap. Improvements could come in the form of better low-light performance, cleaner night footage, improved HDR, and more polished image processing. DJI has a strong track record of squeezing more quality out of similar sensors through software updates, so this is one of the most realistic upgrade paths. Flight performance is another area where small changes could make a big difference. While no one expects a massive jump in battery size, a DJI Flip 2 could offer slightly longer flight time through better power efficiency. Even a few extra minutes in the air would be meaningful for a drone in this category. Better wind resistance and more stable hovering are also frequently mentioned in community speculation, especially for users who film outdoors. Smarter flight features are also likely if DJI decides to refresh the Flip lineup. DJI has been investing heavily in automated shooting modes and beginner-friendly tools across its product range. A Flip 2 could benefit from improved subject tracking, more reliable gesture controls, and enhanced quick-shot modes that make it easier to capture cinematic clips with minimal effort. Obstacle avoidance remains a big question mark, though. Adding advanced sensors could increase weight and cost, so any improvements here would likely be subtle or software-based. When it comes to design, a major overhaul seems unlikely. The folding structure and built-in prop protection are what define the Flip series, and changing that would risk losing its identity. If a Flip 2 happens, it would almost certainly keep a similar form factor, remain under the 249-gram weight limit, and continue focusing on safety and portability. Any design changes would probably be refinements rather than a complete redesign. Software and app experience could also see noticeable improvements. DJI may choose to enhance the companion app with better tutorials, smoother controls, and more streamlined editing tools. Since the Flip is aimed at casual users and content creators, improving the overall ease of use makes just as much sense as upgrading hardware. There is also a real possibility that DJI may not release a Flip 2 at all. DJI already has several compact drone categories, and the Flip occupies a very specific niche. In the past, DJI has quietly discontinued certain product lines when they no longer fit the company's broader strategy. If that happens, the Flip concept could evolve into a different model rather than a direct sequel. If the DJI Flip 2 becomes a reality, pricing would likely stay close to the original model. DJI would probably aim to keep it affordable and positioned below the Mini series, with only a modest price increase to account for upgrades and market changes. So, should you wait for the DJI Flip 2? At this point, probably not. With no confirmed leaks or timeline, waiting could mean holding off for a year or more with no guarantee of a launch. The original DJI Flip remains a solid option for anyone who wants a compact and beginner-friendly drone right now. In the end, DJI Flip 2 remains a case of possible but unconfirmed. If it happens, expect smarter software, refined camera performance, and small but meaningful flight improvements rather than a dramatic reinvention. And as soon as real leaks start to surface, things will move fast. Until then, it's a story worth watching closely.